Hello everybody, my name is Jesse Emby and I will be showing you how to make a quick layout view for your fixtures and how represented in the real world. So to do this, highlight all your fixtures that you would need, click Assign, and then click where you would like them placed. Now, I have them in rows of 3 in my stage. So to help make that up, I hit Setup, make sure they're still highlighted, which they are. Then you can go down to Function down here and click Position, which goes to Arrangements. And then right here you have the option for Grid, Circle, Camera, Line, and then it goes back to Grid. But that's how it is. So I know I have 8 columns with 3 rows. Cool. Now I want the rows a little spread out, so column intervals, let's spread those out, and then the rows. And now if you click Apply, they will be in the orientation I want them. Awesome. Hey everybody, I hope you had a good time learning this, and have a great day.